Hello everyone. In this video I will be talking about learning objective 5 and 6 of week 6. Learning objective 5 is list different computer software products designed for descriptive statistical analysis, and learning objective 6 is understand a researcher's role in interpreting the data. So you can see that this is a list of statistical packages that can be used for descriptive analysis that we have discussed in the previous videos. So the most commonly used one is Excel, and that one we will be using in this course. But some other popular statistical softwares are SAS, SPSS, and Minitab. So SPS is a statistical package for social sciences, probably after Excel, the most popular one for descriptive analysis and other statistical analysis. SAS is particularly suitable when you have big data, because SPSS and Excel might not be very much useful when you have a huge data set. So nowadays, particularly the finance research that involves millions of observations, heavily use SAS. Minitab is another software. However, my experience is less user-friendly compared to other packages. SAS is, as I already have said, nowadays are heavily used. Just I give you one example. It was introduced in 1976. Only in 2008 it generated $2.1 billion revenue by selling this software. And SPSS is also a very popular one. And just an example of a SAS output. This is descriptive statistics output from SAS. You might have seen the workshop questions for this week where you will have to do descriptive statistics using Excel. So you will see how the outputs are generated for descriptive analysis by Excel. This is an example of how the descriptive analysis are presented by SAS. So this is the last learning objective of this chapter, the researcher's role in interpreting data. So you know that this is the last stage of the research, that is interpreting data. Okay, and the researcher also need utmost care in interpreting data, because interpretation means drawing an inference, taking a decision, drawing an inference from a result, and this inference will have managerial implication. That's why it's important. So we can say that each statistical analysis that produces some results should be interpreted, and that should ultimately lead to some particular decision. The logical interpretation of data in statistical analysis are closely intertwined. So when a researcher calculates a cross-tabulation of employees' number of dependents with choice of health plan, an interpretation can be drawn that suggests that employees with a different number of dependents may be more or less likely to choose a given health places. That's why researchers need to take a very careful analysis and interpretation, because based on this interpretation, since managers will be implementing their decision, so if the drawing inference is wrong or interpretation is wrong, that might have a very, very negative consequences. So in this chapter, we have learned about descriptive analysis. We have seen that how level of scale measurement affect the choice of descriptive analysis. We learned about cross-tabulation, how cross-tabulation shows a relationship between variables. We learned about data transformation techniques, and last of all, interpreting data. So I believe that this discussion might help you a little in preparing your data analysis section of assignment 1. Please post if you have any question relating to these lectures. Thank you very much.